Once again, hello kids. Today we're going to learn 1, 2, buckle my shoes. Okay? As usual, first of all, we're going to learn the words of the rhyme and action. In our next video, we're going to do with action and rhythm. So, watch carefully and listen carefully. So, let's get started. Okay kids, watch carefully and listen carefully. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Again, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 3, 4, shut the door. Shut the door means you have to close the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 9, 10, a big fat hen. What does the hen give? Yes, eggs. So, once again, repeat after me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Buckle my shoe means, yes, you have to tie your shoe. Okay? 3, 4, shut the door. Shut the door means close the door. 5, 6, pick up the sticks. Yes, 5, 6, pick up the sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight like this. Lay them straight. 9, 10, yes, our big fat hen. So kids, now you understood? Bye.